week of solo Charleston. We did a bunch of jump Charleston. We built it up from regular basic, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the classic version of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did some variations. We did the one with scoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we did the derpy one that goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. Then you want to do that. Then it's the way Charleston. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5. We talked about how this is kind of all the same drop. It's not two separate things, and you'll be on beat. And it has this kind of like bicycle, so like you're riding bicycle backwards, and twist this way on the top. And then we did squat Charleston. I'm just going to show the